Hello guys, this is Devdatta again with resting part of the rest of the part of the session 7. Let's call it session 7A, because here we will try to give some demonstration of how these chords sound like, which we discussed in session 7. So let's get back to my keyboard and start from the first chord, which is C, E, G. So I have C here, G here, E here and G here. So if we hold them together, we get a C major chord. That's the root chord and most stable chord. Then we have D, F, A, which is D minor chord. D, F and A. There's the D minor chord. If we move my finger keeping the structure same, just one step right, we get E minor chord. E, G and B. And then fourth chord, F, A and C. So that's the fourth chord. Fifth is G major chord, which is G, B, D. Each time I have to just move my hand one key right, one whole note right. Not always whole note, one white note right. Then comes, this is G major, then comes A minor, A, C, E. A minor. And then the B diminished, which is little weird sounding and kind of tension creating. The tension will be very clear if you remember the James Bond song. So that's the diminished chord deliberately used in this title music to create the tension. Now, the chord I have been talking about is the G major chord with a dominant 7. So G, B, D, and I have to add the F, which we expect that it will resolve to C major chord. We have seen it here that G 7th resolves to C major chord, root chord. Let's see how does that sound. So let's first hold the G major chord here. This is G major. I add the F to make it a G 7th, which will resolve to perfect C major. Again, you can do this with other chords also. Let's say if we take C major chord, that's a C major, and the 7th note is B flat. So if we add this, we get a C 7th chord that is going to resolve into F major. That's the F major. Now let's put this Indian notation system about major and minor. So this will be, for taking C as scale, the first chord is C major, which is, let me first play the scale. So the first chord is Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa. Sa, Ga and Pa. Second chord is D minor, which is Re, Ma and Dha. Now, as I said, if it is a minor chord and if we start this from as a Sa, then this is Sa, this is Re, this is our Komal Ga or soft Ga. And this is Ma, Pa. Similarly with this one, this is taking C as Sa, it will be Ga, Pa, Ni. But since it's a minor chord, if we consider this as Sa, Sa, Re and Ga, and then Ma and then Pa. So Sa, Komal Ga, Pa. Now again a major chord, Sa, Re, Ga, ma, pa. So that's a major chord, F major. G major again. Sa, ga and pa. That's the major chord. But in the C scale, it will be pa, ni and re. Then comes dha, sa, ga. Taking sa, it will be again sa, komol, ga, pa. Then comes ni, re, ma. That's a diminished chord. If you put in our Indian style, it will be called as, this is sa, this is komol, ga, this is ma, E is ma, so this one will be korima or tribrama. So we get sa, komol, ga, korima, tribrama. That is the tension creating, resolving into finally C major chord, again another sa, ga, pa. I think that's enough for today. In the next session, we will talk about how to form these triad chords using a circle of 5th and 4th, and then move on to sort of progression. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video.